In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Users and Accounts. Then click on Google under Passwords and tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit. Following that, enter your current login method and click on Edit button next to the delete one. Finally, you can change wherever you want to. And then hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!